Hello friends, my name is Nilesh Arora and in this video I'm going to talk about increasing profitability in a foundry by reducing the capacity cost. A foundry is typically a process which includes activities like pattern making, molding, mold closing, melting furnace, pouring, cooling, shakeout, fettling, heat treatment, machining, finishing and painting. Foundry has a lot of transportation, so the flow has to be addressed. If the minimal the flow, the cost will go down. Also, because of the flow, there are several stages where there is material pile up. Because of this pile up, the inventory levels, that is the work in progress, goes up and therefore reduces the throughput time. So all in all, creating flow in a foundry is fundamental. Another lean tool which needs to be applied is 5S, so that the plant is visual and it is quite safe and it is easy to work. TPM, so keeping the health of the machines great by application of total productive maintenance also is critical, so that the cost of manufacturing goes down and the rework levels, the regrind levels also go down. After this, it is very important to identify muddas all across the value chain so that the overhead costs go down and the throughput is better. We also talk of total service management services. When we talk of services, in a foundry, there is a lot of work going on beyond the manufacturing, through purchase, administration, logistics. All that has to be streamlined and to be aligned with manufacturing. So when the manufacturing and the non-manufacturing functions align in a foundry, backed up by flow, quality, maintenance, 5S and visual management, we can have a great foundry where the capacity utilization is better, the overhead costs are minimal, so that we can have a great profitable foundry and we can have core competence and edge over the customers. Thank you.